G'day cocktail lovers. This is a variation on a Pina Colada. I came up with some friends when we were discussing different ways to serve Pina Coladas. Yeah, they can be blended, you can serve them up. There's a whole bunch of creative ways you can serve a Pina Colada. And we talked about how some people don't like the coconut cream or cream of coconut that's usually in a Pina Colada. It's a bit heavy. And so I thought, well, that's one variation we'll do. We'll use coconut water instead of cream of coconut. But then I wanted something that would, give that sort of rich feel as well. I'd made this pineapple syrup, which is super yummy, and so I thought that will go in there. Then we were just experimenting with flavors and going, let's throw something a bit different, some nutty elements. Another flavor associated with the tropics is macadamia, and this here is one of my favorite things, macadamia and wattle seed liqueur from the Brookies distillery, Byron Bay, New South Wales. And there's a barrel-aged version that I probably like even more. That's going in as well. That's fitting in with the whole tropical vibe, I think. But now I need to actually try this. Whip a straw in here. I really like this. Here's how we make it. In a shaker, put 60 ml or 2 ounces of white rum. We'll follow that with 30 ml, 1 ounce of pineapple syrup, and 30 ml, 1 ounce of lime juice, then half an ounce or 15 ml of macadamia liqueur, half an ounce or 15 ml of orgeat, and finally doing 2 ounces or 60 ml of coconut water. Add a lot of ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink. Then for serving, I'm doing a dirty dump into a tall glass, and I want to make this look pretty. So after waking up a sprig of mint by slapping it about a little bit, putting that in the glass, and also putting in a wheel of dried lime. You could honestly keep going with the garnishes. With the tropical drinks, that's often a thing. You can put a little umbrella in, put a slice of pineapple or candied pineapple, whatever you like. This is more trouble than I usually go to. I was inspired. This is a really nice drink. It's a fun variation on a Pina Colada, and I'm going to kick back and pretend I'm on a beach somewhere. Wherever you are, I hope you're taking care, and I hope to see you again sometime soon. Until I do see you again, I will say cheers.